And hello everyone, welcome back to another Bootstrap tutorial. So, in the previous tutorial we talked about colors and utilities. In this tutorial we'll be talking about tables. So this is a default table in HTML. I believe we have already covered this in the HTML course. In HTML, a table looks absolutely disgusting. Like, it's very difficult to see what is actually what. Once this table becomes massive, it's going to become very difficult to tell where's what and what's where. So, Bootstrap has made it easy for us to make a table look good by saying class table. As easy as that, our table already looks 10 times better than what it did. Everything is way more readable with everything nicely spaced out. We can make it look even better by saying table striped. Now, I want to say second one, but it's actually first and then, but every uneven number one is a little bit darker than every other one, every second one. And that makes it a tiny bit easier to actually read what is inside of this table. You can also add more things like table bordered, and this will make the table more bordered. If we were to go here and say M5, then here you can actually see the border. If we were to scroll a little bit, yeah, here you can see a little bit of a border. Now sometimes you want a striped layout, but you don't want the stripes to be seen unless you hover over a specific item here. Well, that can be table hover. Now there will only be striped ones once you hover over them, where it will kind of show you that this one is the one you selected. Tables also has automatic dark theme implemented, so table dark is an option, and now you can still hover over it and still see the one you chose. And you can also do a striped, so table striped, to still have the striped version, which is pretty neat. Now I'm going to go back to the light version. You can also remove all of the borders and crap from a table if that's what you're into. So table borderless. And now there's no borders, it's just all in nice rows and columns, which is still better than what the default HTML gives you. You can also give every specific row its own little color. For example, let's also just remove this borderless because I like seeing my border. So going here to TR, we can then say class table primary. So it has all the same colors we have been covering like in every video. So now the first one will be a bluish color, and we can maybe do the second one as well. And we can make this one maybe danger. And now we'll have a danger color. And this is all of the other colors, so success, info, warning, secondary, light, dark, and whatnot. Nice. You can also make a table nice and small by going table SM, and that will make the table a tiny bit smaller. Depending on how big the table is, this might actually make a massive difference, but in this scenario, it doesn't make a big difference at all. And yeah, that's it for tables. Not a very big topic, but it does really make the default HTML table look better. So I highly recommend you use this if possible, instead of just the default crappy table, which looks absolutely awful. As you can see, doesn't look very good at all. So thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next Bootstrap tutorial.